So today I'll be showing you how to create a OnePlus phone and Mac ecosystem so you can easily transfer photos and videos from your OnePlus phone to your Mac and from your Mac to your phone. And also you can also transfer other types of files. You can screen mirror your phone to your Mac, so many things, and you can do all these wirelessly. So before you can do all that, you need to create that ecosystem. So for the ecosystem, we're going to go to your favorite browser. So go to your favorite browser and then just go and do a search for O plus Connect OnePlus. So just search for O plus Connect OnePlus. And basically what you're looking for is this O plus Connect application on the OnePlus website. So let me just allow you to open up that website. So this is the website I want us to go to. It's going to be at connect.oneplus.com. Of course, we have our OnePlus phone here, which is ready to go. So here we're going to download a piece of software that's going to allow us to create an ecosystem for our OnePlus phone with a Mac. So click on for PC, and then that's going to open up the page for either Windows or Mac OS. So click on download for Mac OS, and then you can choose whether you want to download for Mac OS with M series chip or with an Intel chip. Now, of course, mine is the M1, so I'm going to choose M series chip. Anybody with an M MacBook, select the M series chip. So click on download and allow that file to get downloaded onto your computer. So it's a big file, so it might take some time, so just be patient. So with the download complete, you can navigate to the downloaded file and double click on it. It's going to be a DMG file, which is basically an application that you install on your Mac. So as usual, you're going to see this pop up. Just drag the OConnect icon to the applications folder and the installation process should happen. Simple as that. Then now you can close that and close the web browser as well. Now we do have the OConnect app. So if you now go and try to launch that app, if you go to the spotlight and look for O plus Connect, there you go. So there's the app. Let's go ahead and launch it. Now, because it's the first time, it's going to tell us O plus Connect is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? So just go ahead and click on open. And it might require your password. Enter the password and click OK. And then it says OConnect would like to access data from other apps. Now, let's go ahead and click on allow because we might need to access some other apps to transfer photos and videos. So now all this stuff has been added. Let's go closing that, and that. Now we have it's called the O plus Connect, the Oppo Connect, because Oppo and OnePlus use the same application. So this is the sort of the introduction process. You can have a multi-screen connect. You can have this as a remote control. Just click on get started. And we're good to go. Now that you have that installed, you're now ready to go to your OnePlus phone. And first, make sure the OnePlus and the Mac are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once you establish that that is the case, you can go to your OnePlus phone and tap on Settings. Under Settings, go to Device Connect, tap on that, and then you want to go and select PC, and then this is a PC I had connected to earlier. I'm just going to go here and select Add New Device, and it's going to search for this device right here. Meanwhile, let me click on I agree first, and then skip for now. Now, as soon as you agree, you will notice that the MacBook Air has been detected. So let me select it, and then now I need to allow on the Mac, and they're connected. It's really that simple. So it says allow O plus Connect to find devices on local networks. Just click OK. So that's fine. And I am now ready to go, and I've successfully created an ecosystem between my OnePlus phone and my Mac. Okay. So at any time now, you can see I can connect to more than one device. I can connect to another device if I want to. But for now, since I'm already connected to the Mac, I can do so many things. First, I can go to files right here on my Mac, and that's going to open up the files. You can see the images, videos, audio, documents, everything from my phone is now accessible right here. So this is basically my phone's gallery. I can just open the gallery so you can see that it's a replica of my actual gallery on my phone. So that's it. That's basically how to create an ecosystem. So now you can transfer photos and videos from the Mac to, from the OnePlus to the Mac. To do that, I'll just go to images, go to camera, and I'll see all my items from the camera. And now from here, I can select some photos and videos. For instance, I can select this one and then come to this one and hit command and select 3 items, and then right click on them and then select save to PC, and then I'll choose where I want them kept. I'm going to choose the desktop for now and click on save. And it's literally that simple. You can see the transfer history of my files being copied from the OnePlus to the desktop of my Mac. And I can do the same for the Mac. All I have to do is click on this button here that says import. Let's just finish. Just close here. So there you go. So if I want to import files from this computer to the OnePlus phone, I just come here to import files, and then I can go to my the memory of my Mac, find those files I want to import, and then add them. They're gonna get added here and eventually transferred to the OnePlus phone. So that is basically how to create an ecosystem between your OnePlus phone and your Mac. Thanks for watching. I hope that was useful. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. And if you find this useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Good luck.